We are inspired by the ministry's vision to give universities the independence to chart their own paths towards greater academic freedom, increased financial control, stronger linkages with domestic and international partners, and most importantly, improved quality of education. This is an uncharted path in Ethiopia's higher education system, but a path that U.S. government sees as opening an immense set of opportunities to improve the quality of education across Ethiopia's higher education sector. But this relationship is nothing new for the peoples of Ethiopia and the United States. The U.S. government and the American people have been committed to the success of higher education in Ethiopia since the beginning of our long bilateral relationship. Recognizing this opportunity to once again be part of a pivotal moment in Ethiopia's higher education system, our public diplomacy team dug in to redirect significant resources into this effort. We agreed with the minister's approach to focus first on ensuring the success of Addis Abeba's University, transition to autonomy, and then leverage that experience to lay the foundation for other leading public universities to build upon. Our team will continue to work with the ministry and you to identify additional ways we can support this monumental effort. We recognize the significance of this moment in Ethiopia's higher education and the potential to advance our common goals of improving the quality of education, higher education, here in Ethiopia. In the spirit of the Point 4 program, we'd want to assure you that the U.S. government and U.S. universities are your closest allies in this critical moment in the Ethiopian higher education journey.
University autonomy is, a critical culture of higher education institutions. Today we have the first consultation workshop with the Academy of Science through the American Embassy. The learning experience from this session will be helpful in designing, redesigning our policy documents as we transit into university autonomy.
The whole purpose of having the status of an autonomy is that universities will have more caliber, more ability to decide on themselves about the curriculum development, the kind of students that they will enroll, and the quality of the staff that they will be able to recruit, and the programs that they will pursue as excellence, academic excellence. This week, what we are going to do is we will discuss on the draft legislation that is prepared by ourselves and the draft strategic plan of Mekelle University. So these are the first steps that are needed in the road for autonomy. And we hope that a committee of highly caliber experts has been composed by the Ethiopian Academy of Science with the help of the embassy of the U.S. Embassy in Addis Ababa. So they are going to review what we have drafted, and they will give us the insight on the rooms for improvement. At the end of the day, since we are talking about an autonomy, it will be the universities that will decide which ideas to take and which ideas to leave. But I think it will help us a lot in making such kind of decision.
This workshop is, the platform where we are reviewing the governance documents, policies, and guidelines that help to ensure the transition from the conventional to the autonomous university to be world-class research-intensive university. Such a platform where the scholars from different institutions gather and experts from different corners of the world. They can share different experiences and knowledge.
We all understand that universities must have the freedom to pursue truth, challenge conventional wisdom, and push the boundaries of human understanding. Autonomy ensures that academic institutions can maintain their integrity, uphold academic standards, and foster an environment where critical thinking and creativity thrive.